As part of our never-ending quest to be the best service management software in the market, we've got some exciting developments with our Microsoft Teams integration. Let me show you. Hi, Matt Barron, Product Specialist at InvGate. With InvGate Service Desk, you can build a Microsoft Teams virtual agent for customers and colleagues trying to interact with your service and support teams. Before we get started, you can always grab a free trial of our software at try.invgate.com and follow along. You probably know by now that integrating Microsoft Teams and your service desk is going to allow you to provide an alternate communication channel to your support offerings, while also centralizing your interactions in one platform, InvGate Service Desk. With these updates to Microsoft Teams and our integration, you'll improve your customers' experience by providing them with a conversational bot, helping them in request creation and solving common questions, and providing instant replies based on knowledge base articles. These replies will be provided by generative AI. So let's go through setup and I'll show you the interface. Real quick, the way you'll set it up is you'll log into your instance as an administrator, you'll go to settings, and then to integrations and Microsoft Teams. Here I'll hit the plus sign to get started, and I'm just gonna call this Microsoft Teams so that I know that this is my Teams integration. And then here is the one bit of information that you will need. This is your tenant ID from your Microsoft Entra, formerly Azure. You will go into your admin portal for Entra, find your tenant ID and paste it in here. Then you have the option to set whether people can create channels from requests or not, and who can do that, whether it's administrators, managers, agents, or none. I'm just gonna leave it as none for now because we don't actually need this feature to show it off. At this point now, I'm gonna hit save and we're done. Now, the experience that your admins will get, if you log into Microsoft Teams, you do have the option to install this for everyone. So you can actually install this for every single employee in the company, so it's pre-installed, or you can have it so that the employees add it themselves. They just go to apps here, and the same thing goes for admins as well, and you search for InvGate, and we're going to select this one called InvGate Virtual Agent. It should be under these categories, IT admin and utilities. I've already got it installed, so I can just hit open. And what this bot is going to do is it's going to give me several different ways of interacting. I'm just gonna say hello right away. And what this should do if the integration is done setting up is it should provide a response back to let me know what I can do with this bot. And here it gives us a response. So now that the integration is filled in, what it's responding with is hello, and then it's just giving me a greeting with my name, obviously, as a test user. And then it gives us some simple instructions how to get started. You can put in some categories for it to request, and then it gives some commands like creating requests, replying, viewing replies, and then just viewing my requests. And this is a great tool. So for example, I can actually just go in and start creating a request. So I can say, create request. It's gonna ask me back to specifically what type of request are you going to want. So maybe I need to request something. That request is gonna be for new hardware. And the hardware that I need is a new mobile phone. This will then populate the form and the questions that I need in order to answer this question or to get this request going. Once I hit send, the request gets created, request 30, and I can view the request here on Teams. It's going to give me a quick summary of the request itself. Or if I need to, I can also view it in Service Desk, which is going to pop open in a new tab, ask me to log in. I can take other options here under the menu item. And if I really want, I can actually just ask questions. So for instance, if I go in here and say, I'm having a problem with my microphone, it's going to use that language to search the knowledge base and provide knowledge base articles that are relevant to my request. So here's a knowledge base article about your microphone not working in MS Teams. Maybe we've got another one in here around microphones. Yeah, adjusting microphone settings on the Mac, managing microphone settings in Windows. So it gives us all the knowledge base articles that mention microphones or other words that are in my language. Once you get this integration set up, you can start promoting your bot to your customers and start providing Microsoft Teams support. You can also customize the interface for this agent by logging into your Microsoft Teams admin console. Once you're logged into your Microsoft Teams admin center, you go to Teams Apps, Manage Apps, and then in here, the way that I found it, or the best way that I found to get to this, is by searching for InvGate. And then under the virtual agent, to customize it, you go to Settings and Customization here. And then you click on Add a Customization. And this is going to let you rename the virtual agent, change some of the short descriptions, upload a specific icon, change the hex codes for your colors, everything that you kind of need to customize your bot. And this is just one aspect of InvGate Service Desk that's designed to make serving customers easy and quick. For more on this topic, check us out on YouTube or discover our solutions by signing up for a trial at try.invigate.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.